Hi y'all, Rene here. I have something quite a bit different today. I made a mistake on my camera and thought I was recording, and actually I recorded my prep work for this kit, not the actual putting it together for you. So what I'm going to do today is I am going to show you what I made, and then I'm also going to go through my footage of the prep work, and if there's anything I think is interesting, I'm going to scoot this way because I will put it up here in the corner for you. So what this is Zoe, and this is a Bring Back My Pack workshop. Zoe was a paper line that we had back in, I want to say 2015, and this particular stamp set was the Scrapbooking Workshop. So what they've done is they have brought back this stamp set as well as the paper. They've updated it a little bit, not the stamp set, but the paper. And they've also created, I'm sorry, it looks horrible because I've already used a lot of it. They created this sticker sheet, and these are the cardstock stickers, so they're pretty thick. So what this workshop makes is it makes 4 2-page layouts, and then it also makes 6 cards, and I will make the cards for you later. Sorry, I've got some shadows there. I'll make the cards for you later, and hopefully I won't mess up my recording on that one. Very annoying. So the stamp set is actually pretty fun. It has a camera, and a lot of these shapes, you'll see they're outlined. That's because they cut with our Cricut Artistry cartridge. So this is a really good stamp set. If you weren't able to get it back then, you can get it now. This is only available, I believe, through the end of the month. I will put it down below how long you can get it for, but I believe that it is only through possibly the end of May. So I will put that down below, but here are the stamps, the layouts that I made. So you do get the workshop. You can download that online, and I will show you what I put together. So here is the first layout. Let's see if I can get all of it in the frame, almost all of it. So I'll start over here. Really fun layout. I love these colors. I love this strip across the top with all of the months and the dates. These were stickers, and I put them up on dimensional adhesive, and then they're open like I usually do, open under here so that I can slip my picture in. I did add some embellishments with some sequins, and I just used the excuse me, I just used the very small gosh, I'm trying to remember what they're called. Don't see them anywhere. I think I used all I had left. Glue dots. The micro glue dots are what I use so that nothing sticks out the sides. And then on this one, these are the journaling spots. So I just have them down with some, what's that called? Washi tape for right now. And then once I do my journaling, I'll cut them down to the size I need, and then I will adhere them. The other thing this doesn't do, this did not have you do mats for your photos, and I really like mats. So I might go back in because I do have a little bit of paper left over, or what I've shown you before where you can take white and then just ink up the edges in whatever ink color you want and then make your mats to match. So I might do that. So that's the first layout. And then here is the second layout. I thought this one was really cute as well. This is stamped with that stamp set, and then the rest of these are stickers from the sticker sheet. And I really like how this one came out too. I love this paper. I just like that look. It almost looks like a quilt pattern. And then again, I used the sequins on all of these pages, and these are the journaling spots again, and just a old piece of washi tape. If you have some washi tape you don't like, use it for other stuff. Don't think you have to use it for decorative purposes. So there's that one. Then I really like this one. It's really bright and happy, and I really like how this one turned out. These were the stickers. Again, I just put them down. It was really nice because once you put this strip down, you can get these straight. So it's not one of those deals where I had to put it on my ruler and then put it on. So that worked out really well. Again, some more journaling spots. I love this layering technique here. Now what I did is I put this on some dimensional adhesive. don't know if you can see it there in the corner. I put this on some dimensional adhesive and left the bottom open so I could put my picture in there when I found the pictures I wanted to use. After I put my picture down, I might put a glue dot on that to hold that in place. So, but again, these are layouts, so they're going to be in page protectors, so I may not need that. And this one holds, this is unbelievable. This is 8 pictures on this one layout. And if you wanted to add flip flaps, you could add even more pictures if you wanted to. So I really like that one, bright and happy. And then the final layout is this really fun one. You stamp the background with one of the stamps from the stamp set. So you're making your own background paper, which was really fun to do. Again, it has the journaling spots, gun washi down, all the stickers. I really like this sticker. And what I did with the stickers so that they weren't, because I put this up on a dimensional, I did the powder on the back to take off the sticky. Again, I'm so sorry that I messed up my recording. Now, one thing I would do different on this one, if I use this pattern again, which I might because this is a really cool layout pattern, is I would put together these 4 pieces. So this white strip, this colorful quilty look, this houndstooth, and then this white strip. I would put those together first with a piece of tape on the back and then make sure that it all lines up, because I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't quite line up right there. I guess I could put a sequin on top of that and you'd never notice it. I could do that. But I think if I was to do this particular pattern again, that is what I would do. I've done that in the past where if you have one piece that's all one cohesive piece that you put down, you stick it all together first. You can also use copy paper. If you wanted to glue all of these pieces down to copy paper, then cut it down to size and then put it on your page, you could. And then I really like this Bloom and Grow with the flower underneath it. I think this turned out really cute. And I think you could put some journaling here, or you could put your journaling in place of one of the pictures if you wanted to do that, if you didn't want to use this journaling here and you wanted more of an open space. So those are all of the excuse me, all of the layouts. And here are the leftover stickers. I still have quite a few stickers. Happy birthday, shine bright, hello, moments like this, thank you so much. So some of these will work really good for cards. And like I said, I will have the card workshop for you in just a few more videos. And the 6 cards are also included in this, so you get all of the layouts as well as all of the measurements. So you'll know exactly how to cut your paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, just leave those down below for me, and have a great day.